Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you can join my glam fam. In today's video, I am giving you 3 beautiful hairstyles for your holiday parties or your holiday looks you just want to post on Instagram, or just your day-to-day cute outfits with your sweaters. Just something simple, something fast, and something different. Let's go ahead and get started. The first one that we are doing today is going to be the twist into a fishtail braid. So what it is it's just a fishtail braid, but your hair looks a little messier and it has like a funky twist at the top that goes into the fishtail braid and it makes it just look really cool. So I'm starting out with just my regular hair. I just brushed it and I used my flat iron like brush on it that heats up and it kind of straightens my hair. So what I would recommend is just brushing through your hair, and all you will need is just elastics, and that's pretty much it. I'm using black elastics just because that is what hides in my hair very well, but if you have blonde hair, I would recommend using clear elastics. So you can section your hair off in the middle, in the side, whatever you want. And what I'm going to be doing is just grabbing my hair and separating the top from the bottom, grabbing just the top section. Then I want you just to go ahead and secure that off into a loose ponytail. Then what you're going to do is, once you have this ponytail, you are going to take it, pull it up, and you have this flab right here. What you're going to do is separate it and make like a hole in there. And then all you're going to do is take your hand, put your hand through the hole, grab the ponytail, pull it up, and then all you're going to do is just pull that twist out and make it super big and loose. Then I'm just going to pull out some sideburns. So I actually just redid it because I wanted to make it a little more tighter, and now I'm just going to pull it out. Then I'm going to take the rest of the hair, secure it off with an elastic as well. I'm putting another hole and grabbing it and pulling the ponytail through again and tightening a little bit, and then I'm just going to pull the twist out. And then we're going to go ahead and fishtail the ponytail. So the easiest way to fishtail on your own hair is to bring it to the side, go ahead and separate into 2 different parts, grab hair from the back of one part, then the back of the other. All you're going to do is bring it around to the front to the other section. So again, take a piece from this section in the back, pull it to the front, and move it to the next section. It's really simple when you get the hang of it, but this braid does take a little longer than like your basic French or Dutch or even just your regular braid. And I'm going to go ahead and do this all the way down. Now it's fine if you have some layers and there's a little hair poking through, because this is a messier look. Because fall, I love doing messy braided hairstyles. I feel like it matches fall so well. So I switched my background for you guys just to see. I finished the braid and I secured it with a little elastic. And then all I did is just pancaked the heck out of it, pulled it, made it super messy, pulled these in the back as well. So as you can see, it flows and it's very pretty and unique. And it's definitely perfect for that fall sweater photo shoot. Let's go ahead and get into the next hairstyle. So this next one is something very subtle, cute, and just is very warm and cozy, because we know fall is our bun season. But this bun is a little different. All you want to do is just brush out your hair. Mine is already brushed out. I personally am just going to split my hair down the middle and the front just like this. I have a cowlick, so it's kind of hard for me to do the exact middle of my head, but that's pretty good for me. All I'm gonna do is create 2 Dutch braids on the top of my head. Now for this, you're gonna need 2 elastics and just a regular hair elastic for the bun part. So what you wanna do is take like a little section, like an inch section, part it into 3 different parts, and go ahead and start braiding under instead of over to create the Dutch fluffy look. Once you have your first stitch, you want to go ahead and add in some hair for your next stitch. So you can't see it too great because my hair is very dark, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Now that I have both braided, I'm going to go ahead and flip my hair over, doing it pretty loose, and then I'm just going to make my hair twist, and then I'm going to secure it with an elastic and just pull it out to make a super messy high bun. Now I just secured the bun a little bit more, pulled out some hair in the front, and our look is complete. It's super cute for fall. I'm showing a flashlight on there just so you can see it a little better because my hair is so dark, but I got that pancaked braid with that cute messy bun. This next one is super similar to the one we just did, but it is my favorite probably out of all of these. This is the double Dutch, but half up, half down type of thing. So you can do this with curly hair, messy hair, straight hair, whatever you want. I'm just doing it with straight hair right now so you can see how it looks. And I'm just going to go ahead and Dutch my hair, but I'm making sure I'm doing it really tight because I want it to be like super full. So I just finished braiding both of these braids, and what I went ahead and did was just pulled these out and made them super huge, so now they're like super pancakey and super cute. So I just want to let you know that I added some bobby pins in the back just to conjoin these together so they will stay and not be flopping around everywhere. But we have reached the end of this video. Let me know if you like these hairstyles, and I'll definitely do some more for this fall or winter, or just let me know what videos you want in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below which look was your favorite, and I will see you guys in a couple days. Bye. Love you. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. They're ready.